Alright, welcome back to another prank video. Today, we're at the mall. Kind of late though. Last prank video, got 1K. Much love for that. Today we're going to be playing the same sound effect over and over, walking by the same person. See if we can get some crazy reactions. Let's get the shit started. Bro, the last people we just went to did not give a fuck, bro. And they do not care. Oh, nah. We got our next suspect. Got him toes out on the couch. Oh! We're gonna do the fart noise. Bro, no reaction, bro. What is going on today? Oh shit, I almost ran into that. We're finding our next victim. We're spawning them in. How do you tap it? Oh! Oh shit. Alright. Fuck this game, bro. Alright, Dix was an L. We're going to Barnes & Noble. Bro, this store is small as fuck. So we're probably gonna get caught. Look how beautiful those buildings look. Bro, imagine climbing up top. Bro, that'd be sick. Oh, what the fuck my mechanic doing? Bro did not care, bro. Shit, empty. I don't think we're gonna prank anybody, but pop show for sure. Oh, why did it tray flip? Look. It's quiet. I have one more. I think that's enough skating for today, bro. We even had the shit too. They're gonna think we did this.
This is Spider-Man.
Oh hell no, gay ass motherfucker. Oh hell no, what you doing, bro? You're gay. That's it for the video. The mall was a success. Target was an L. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Shout out Anthony, the filmer, Junior, the driver. If y'all like to see a part 2, let me know. Blow this up. Get it to 1K again like the last prank. Love y'all and I'll see you on the next vid. Peace. Yo, he's fucking me. He's fucking me in the ass.